Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Snapchat. First thing you need to do is open up the Snapchat application in your mobile. Then simply you have to record a short video or just simply select a photo here, this plus icon here. And after tapping plus icon, you can see this import media option. Tap on it and now you need to select any video or photo you want to. Let's say I'm going to select this photo here. Now tap on this check icon and now you have to tap on this video option and simply delete this video. Now only that photo is remaining you want to send. So now tap on this preview, click on this send to, and now you select that person and simply tap on the send. Now whenever that person open, it will disappear after opening once. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.